Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the top 5 best hair clippers that you can find on the market today. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a premium pick, or something in between, we've got you covered. We'll break down the features, performance, and value of each product so you can choose the best one for your needs. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description below for your convenience. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the TCMKY hair clippers for men, a true budget-friendly option at an unbeatable $17.59. This product offers a cordless and corded dual mode, which is incredibly convenient for self-cutting. It stands out with a runtime of up to 200 minutes on a full charge, which is impressive for its price point. The built-in LED display keeps you informed of the battery life, charging status, and even blade lubrication reminders. Plus, it comes with a unique auxiliary lighting feature for precise grooming in low-light conditions. Design-wise, the clippers are lightweight and compact, making them easy to handle, even for beginners. The sharp steel blades are designed for durability and skin safety, and the 5-speed motor adjustability adds versatility for different hair types and styles. However, the build quality feels a bit plasticky compared to higher-priced models, and the auxiliary lighting feature, while innovative, may not be a game-changer for everyone. Performance is decent, but not exceptional. While it does a good job on straight and moderately thick hair, it may struggle with very coarse or dense textures. The low noise level is a plus, making it suitable for kids and pets. Overall, the TCMKY hair clippers are ideal for occasional home use or as a backup option. However, if you're looking for professional-grade performance or premium build quality, you might want to invest a bit more. Pros: affordable, versatile, long battery life, and LED display. Cons: feels cheap in hand, struggles with thick hair, and auxiliary light is a niche feature. At number 4, we have the Philips Norelco Multi Groomer MG3740/40, a fantastic all-in-one grooming kit priced at just $19.96. This kit is perfect for those who want versatility on a budget. It includes 13 attachments for beard, stubble, nose, ear, and even eyebrow trimming. The self-sharpening steel blades are a standout feature, offering long-lasting sharpness without the hassle of blade oil maintenance. With a 60-minute battery life and a full power adapter included, the Multi Groomer is ready to tackle multiple grooming tasks in one session. In terms of design, the Philips Norelco Multi Groomer is sleek and compact, with a black and chrome finish that gives it a modern aesthetic. The attachments are easy to swap out, and the entire unit is rinseable for effortless cleaning. However, the plastic guards may feel a bit flimsy, so you'll need to handle them with care. Despite this, the overall build quality is solid for the price. Performance-wise, this clipper is perfect for light to moderate grooming tasks. It's not designed for heavy-duty haircuts, but excels in precision trimming and maintenance. The precision trimmer is especially handy for sharp lines and detailing. While it doesn't feature a powerful motor, its versatility and ease of use make it a great choice for anyone looking to maintain their style at home. Pros: affordable, versatile, maintenance-free blades, and easy to clean. Cons: not suitable for heavy-duty use, and plastic guards feel delicate. Coming in at number 3 is the Wahl Home Haircutting Corded Clipper Kit, priced at $35.39. This model is perfect for at-home haircuts, featuring a heavy-duty motor and adjustable taper lever for seamless blending and fading. The kit includes 10 color-coded guards, making it easy to choose the right length for your desired style. Additionally, the self-sharpening blades ensure consistent cutting performance over time. The design is utilitarian but effective. The clipper has a robust build, though the corded operation may feel restrictive for some users. On the bright side, it eliminates the need to worry about battery life. The included accessories, such as shears, a styling comb, and a handled storage case, add extra value to the package. In terms of performance, this clipper is a workhorse. It's capable of cutting through thick and coarse hair without snagging, thanks to its powerful motor and precision ground blades. However, the motor emits a loud hum, which might be a drawback for some. This clipper is best suited for families or individuals looking for a reliable, straightforward option for regular haircuts at home. Pros: powerful motor, adjustable taper lever, and comprehensive accessory kit. Cons: corded operation limits mobility, and it's noisier than other models. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper for $43.99. This model takes the hassle out of finding the right guard with its innovative color-coded combs. With a cordless runtime of 60 minutes and worldwide voltage compatibility, it's a fantastic option for travel and home use alike. The removable and rinseable blades make cleaning a breeze, ensuring hygienic grooming every time. The design is user-friendly, with a lightweight build and ergonomic grip. The color coding system is a thoughtful touch, simplifying the haircutting process for beginners and pros alike. However, the plastic guards, while functional, could be more durable. Performance-wise, this clipper delivers smooth and precise cuts, making it ideal for families. It's versatile enough to handle haircuts for men, women, and children, though it's not the best for thick or coarse hair. The cordless convenience and easy-to-clean design make it a joy to use. Pros: easy-to-use color-coded guides, cordless operation, and travel-friendly design. Cons: guards could be sturdier and not ideal for very thick hair. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro rechargeable cordless hair clipper, priced at $76.99. This premium model combines power, convenience, and advanced features for the ultimate at-home haircutting experience. With an impressive 2-hour runtime and smart charge technology, you'll never have to worry about running out of power mid-cut. The self-sharpening blades and adjustable taper lever ensure precise and smooth cuts, even on thick hair. The design is sleek and professional, with a sturdy build that feels premium in hand. The clipper includes 12 snap-and-lock guards for various length options, making it suitable for a wide range of styles. The smart charge display is intuitive, providing clear battery status updates. Performance is where this clipper truly shines. It delivers salon-quality results, cutting through all hair types effortlessly. The cordless operation adds flexibility, while the robust build ensures durability for years to come. While it's on the pricier side, the features and performance justify the investment for those serious about their grooming. Pros: long runtime, powerful motor, premium build, and versatile guards. Cons: higher price point and slightly heavier than other models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect hair clipper for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Have any questions about these products? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.